Okay, we're going to get started here on how to remove the cowlings from these Pro XS motors. First, I'll strip this rubber seal off. Then, one of the hardest screws is to get one out that's down in here. I got a light shining on it. I'm going to try to show a close-up of the hole. You have to remove a plug right here. And if you look back in that hole, inside that, if I can get lined up right here, showed that we tried. There's a screw in there. There's one in here. There's one back in here. You see that one down there. There's two up here holding this plate down. And there's one right here. Those screws have to come out. Out. I'm going to start the top ones here. These hold the rigging tube in. And then take that little bracket out, get it out of your way. Then the rigging tube will pull up off this cowling when we get ready to lift it. So we're going to take this bottom screw out here. We're going to take these screws out loose and leave them in the holes. And when we put the cowlings back on, the three uppers we want in the holes because you won't be able to get your hands in there to start them. So you have to ease the cowling up in place, keeping the screws in place. Then you can reach in with a long extension and retighten them. This bottom screw, I'll take it all the way out, the only one. Then reach through this hole. Okay, shine the light in there so I can see the head of it. Loosen that screw all the way up. Again, leave it in the cowling. You're going to want about a 9-inch extension for this. For the upper two screws, you're going to want a wobble socket. It's got to make a corner. So you can probably see that. That one screw you can get back in, but it's easier to sleep in the hole when you put the cowlings back on. Okay, this screw here, you can see I'm on it now. Doing this like a beginner. Okay, those 4 screws are out. This bracket's off. So we're going to shake it loose. And as you pull out, rotate it upward in the back off the rigging tube. If you drop that back screw, locate it. All right, still missing one. Oh, here it is, hung up on the cowling. So we're going to put these back in these holes. And when we put the cowlings back on, we want them to fall out. Then we can wrench through with the long extension and retighten them. Here are the 3 screws. This is the front one by the rigging tube. You can see it from the inside of the cowl. This is the bottom one. where you have to come through this hole back here where my finger's wiggling to get to with the long extension. And this is the top one on the back. Don't let this intimidate you. This is easy peasy to take these cowlings off. Don't just yank them off. Sometimes you got to work them a little bit to get them to pull off all the rubber. There you go. Now we have very easy access to everything.